Morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you're watching this video. I'm just going to do a brief walkthrough on introduction to what forex trading is all about. So let's just get to it. So first of all, I have a newbie called Mike, and Mike is trying to know what forex is all about and get into it and make money and all that. But before that, Mike needs to know what Forex is all about. He needs to know what he's getting into before he can be able to invest his money. So Mike meets a mentor and a mentor tries to guide him through. So let's get to it. What is Forex trading? Forex trading, short form, that's foreign exchange trading, is the process of buying and selling currencies with the goal of making profits. Thus, forex trading is the process of buying and selling currencies with the goal of making profits. You understand? So the aim of trading forex is to make money. You understand? It's a business platform. When I say platform, it's a business opportunity. So the main aim of trading forex is to make money, to make profits. But before that, you need to know how it works. Now, it's one of the largest liquid financial markets in the world, with over $7 trillion traded daily. You understand? This is one of the most largest liquid financial market in the world, with over $7 trillion traded daily. So how does forex trading works? How does it works? You can see currencies are traded in pairs. You understand? Forex trading is about foreign exchange, trading currencies. You understand? But how do we trade these currencies? You are not trading this currency physically, but with a platform or an app. You understand? Now these currencies are traded in pairs, like Euro, EUR slash USD. It means Euro versus USD. You understand? We have a lot of currency pair. We have Japanese yen versus USD. We have Great Britain pound versus USD and all that. A lot of different pairs depending on different currencies. You understand? So now, he said if you think euro will rise against dollar, you would have to buy the pair. Or if you think euro will fall against dollar, or euro will fall, you will have to sell the pair. You understand? So it's about buying and selling of currencies, but not physically. You understand? With an easier platform to make your exchange. You understand? So if you think euro will rise against dollar, you have to what? Buy the pair. And if you think euro will fall, you have to sell. So that's what forex is all about. Now the question is, how do I trade forex? That's the question. How do I trade forex? So let's get to it. Let's get to it. Okay, so now so here we have it. So how do I trade forex now? If someone like Mike is asking me now, I've clarified Mike on what forex trade is all about, and just the basics now. The basics is, how do I what is forex trading? That's buying and selling of currencies using their pairs. You understand? Depending on the currency you want to trade. You understand? Then the question is, how do I trade forex now? Because you can't just trade this forex with just what's forex trading, or there should be something behind it. So that's what I'm about to show you. Now, how do I trade forex? The first thing you should know is to learn the basics. So what are the basics now? The basics are forex pairs. Like I said for currency pairs. Currency pairs are the same thing as forex pairs. You understand? So like, how do I trade forex now? You should learn the basics. The basics are what? Forex pairs. Always traded in pairs. Like example, Euro USD, GBP JPY. These are different pairs. You understand? Then you see the second one is base and quote currency. Base and quote currency, Euro USD. Euro is the base and USD is the base. Same thing with the first one, GBP JPY. GBP is the what? The base, and USD is the quote. Then the pips. Pips is the smallest price movements, usually 0.0001 for most pairs. You understand? I'm still going to get to pips and explain, break it down. Then the leverage. The leverage allows you to control a larger position with less capital, but increases risk. You understand? When this leverage is applied is when you're about to trade your live account. You understand? When you're about to trade your live account. Then the lot sizes. You understand? Lot sizes, we have the standard lot, the mini lot, and the micro lot size. You understand? So let's get to the second one. The second one on how do I trade forex is choose a reliable forex broker. Forex brokers help you to, because you might be asking, Mike is now asking, how does this thing work? Does it mean that I'm going to have dollar to like trade, I'm going to have euros to like trade against USD, I'm going to have pounds to like trade Japanese yen? No. You understand? We have an easier platform for that, and that platform is a broker. A broker helps you to exchange your currency to the desired one you want to trade it. Like we Nigerians now, we change our naira to dollar to trade with them. Some people can change their naira to euros, some people can change their naira to Japanese yen and all that. But I change my naira to like dollar to trade. You understand? But some brokers allows you to trade with your naira. You understand? But since we are trying to make money in dollars, we have to like exchange our naira to dollars. So choose a reliable forex broker. This forex broker helps you like to deposit your money and withdraw your money. You understand? Deposit your money, trade, and withdraw your money after trading or profit. You understand? You have a lot of brokers, a whole lot of brokers. Like for me, I use Xnet and Deriv. You understand? I use Xnet and Deriv. For brokers provide you with low spreads and fees. Then we have user-friendly platform. This user-friendly platform is this MetaTrader 4 or 5 is a general platform for executing your trades. You understand? You might decide to execute your trades in your broker, different brokers, but there's a general platform for it that makes everything clear for you, because brokers most times don't give you a clear view of your chart. So that's why you have MetaTrader 4 or 5, depending on the one you want to download. You understand? So we have a lot of brokers, we have a lot of them. Then the third step you want to like to know and how do I trade forex is opening the demo account. You understand? A demo account helps you to practice with virtual money before risking your real funds. You understand? As a newbie, you're not expected to like fund immediately with your funds, but demo account helps you to like practice with a virtual money before you can fund with your real money. You understand? That's after you are done practicing and getting good at your game. So practicing them and trading with virtual money before risking your funds. Use this time to learn how learn how the trading platform works, test strategy, understand market behaviors. That's what a demo account helps you to do. It's just for practice, not your real money. Now I'm practicing with a virtual money which you cannot withdraw, but just for practice. Then the fourth one is develop a trading strategy. This could be a technical analysis using charts, indicators, and all that. Then the fundamental analysis, based on economic news, interest rates, etc. Price action. Price action means reading candlesticks, patterns, and market structure. Right? Using candlestick, using candlestick, reading candlestick patterns and market structure. That's what price action, that's what is under trading strategy. You understand? So trading strategy, you have the technical analysis, you have the fundamental analysis, and the price action. Then the fifth one is your risk management, which is very important. You can your risk your you can there's a saying that says don't risk what you cannot afford to lose. You understand? That's when your risk management is applied. Some people never risk more than 1 to 2% of your account on a single trade. Always use your stop loss and take profit orders. Keep your emotions in check. You understand? That's what the risk management is all about. But I'm still going to break it down. This is just a brief walkthrough. Then you have the start live trading. Once you're confident in your strategy, your price action, your fundamental analysis and technical analysis, then you are able to fund your account. Let's start with small trades, review and learn from your results. Then you continue learning, because Forex is dynamic. Follow market news, read books, take courses, and refine your skills. So this is just a brief walkthrough on what Forex is about. With this, I can now proceed to how to like make money, but you have to like learn your strategy, right? Develop a trading strategy before you are able to trade. All right, thank you for watching this video.